Hey, back with another video. I know a lot of you haven't seen me in a while, mainly because I've been working, but let's not get into that, shall we? Anyway, I'm here with something a lot different than I normally have for my channel. Something really interesting. It's the F-Cut. Yes, it's a wood chipper. I was sent this by a really good friend of mine overseas, and I figured it'd be something interesting to show all of you. It's something that I've been needing for my yard, and let's get to it. First off, I wanted to show you a couple of things that come in with it as far as the safety items that are really important. First off, obviously, are the safety glasses, which, forgive me, I'm probably not going to be wearing. Maybe. We'll see what happens. And also earplugs. Now, my hearing has gotten to the point to where it's not the greatest in the world, so I'm not going to wear them. The assembly process is really simple. It comes with everything you need to put it together. It comes with 2 wrenches, although I think boxed ends probably would have been a little better, but I got it put together relatively quickly and easily with the supplied wrenches. It wasn't a problem. It comes with spare blades, which, let me kind of open these up a little bit so you can see them. They are made out of high-speed steel, which I'm guessing, I'm not gonna, don't quote me on this, it's almost like a Hitachi steel. If you've ever heard of Rockstead knives, Rockstead's made out of a high-speed steel. It's some serious stuff. Really good stuff. But I digress. Let's get to the chipping. That's why we're here. Well, that's definitely a tool that can afford hours of fun. Probably throw a few bodies in there too. Yeah. Shh. So I noticed it'll take branches and things like that of up to 3 inches. What is the metric equivalent? 76 millimeters. So it'll take 76 millimeters, which is roughly 3 inches. And the larger you get, the slower you're going to want to go, because it will clog up on you. That's not a big issue. I was feeding things through there with no problem. You get some green vegetation, you might want to get you a little push stick to kind of help push that through. No issues. I'm pretty happy with that. Around my house, that's going to get a lot of use. So look for that in further videos. I might even make some shelters with some nice, comfortable bedding. We'll see what happens. I hope you enjoyed this video, as different as it was. I'll see you soon.